Hi, we're going to make some Play-Doh today. This is a no-cook recipe, and I will put all the materials below down in the description box to make this. It does require boiling water though. So kids, you will need to get help from mom or dad to boil the water, and I just boiled mine in the microwave. But I'm going to start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour and add that to my bowl. Next, I have 1/4 cup of salt, just regular table salt. And next is 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. And if you've not purchased this before, you just find cream of tartar in your spice section of the grocery store. Again, that's 1 tablespoon of that goes into the bowl. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. I have cooking oil here, but you could use baby oil. That would make it smell really nice. You could use coconut oil. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon into my dry ingredients, just like that. So I've got my dry ingredients plus the oil in here like that. And next I'm going to add the boiling water. So I have about 3/4 of a cup in here. I'm first going to add my food coloring because I want color in my Play-Doh. And I'm going to add the coloring to the water, and I'm going to add like 3 or 4 drops. Give it a little bit of a stir. If you have Kool-Aid, the unsweetened packets, you could add Kool-Aid and that would add your color and a nice scent. But I'm going to start with 1/2 cup of water. So I'm going to measure out 1/2 cup. I don't want to get too much. And I've added that to my dry ingredients in there like that and give it a good stir. Now at some point I will have to get my hands in there and knead it until it's a good consistency, and that might take a couple of minutes to knead. But right now I'm going to use my spoon. You can see it's starting to look a little bit more like Play-Doh. And I think it's time for my hands. So let's get my hands in there, and it's not too hot to handle, but again, you are going to need adult supervision for this because it does require the boiling water. Now mine wasn't boiling when I put it in, but it had been boiling. It was pretty hot. This is already a really nice consistency. So just measure your water carefully before you add. You can always add just a little bit more, but I added 1/2 cup, and I'm going to knead this for a couple minutes, but I can already tell that this is going to be really nice Play-Doh, and it doesn't cost very much. Most people have all of these ingredients on hand in your kitchen. Maybe not cream of tartar. Maybe not everyone has cream of tartar, but that is something that's easy to find at the grocery store. And look at that. That is really, really nice Play-Doh. This should last for about 6 months, and just put it in a Ziploc baggie or a tight plastic container, and you'll have Play-Doh for 6 months.